All right. So people at home, this is the ideal gas law. And the formula is PV equals nRT. This letter N here stands for the number of moles. So if you're given grams, you have to convert it to the number of moles. R is an adjustment number that you look up. It is on R is on page 1 of your tables. It's called the gas constant. It's on the top. Now, depending on which units for pressure you use, you have to change this number R to make the units work out. Now, there'll be more of a video on this later if you're at home, but I'm showing you how to work the problems. V is obviously volume. And T is temperature, and it's got to be in Kelvin. Okay. So if we want to do problem number 3 from today's homework, problem number 3, then here's how we're going to do it. You write down your formula, PV equals nRT, and then you're just going to be putting numbers where these letters are. If I contain 3 moles of gas, so the N is going to be the number 3, in a container with a volume of 60 liters. 60 liters is the volume. The volume has to be in liters. And the temperature is 400 Kelvin. 400 is the temperature. What is the pressure in kilopascals? So I'll look up the R on page 1. And the R on page 1 is 8.314 when you're doing kilopascals. Okay? And then what is the pressure? So we have P times 60 equals 3 moles times the adjustment number 8.314 times 400. We got to get this 60. We're going to put it over here on the bottom. And then that'll solve for the pressure. You just plug and play on these numbers, 8th grade algebra 1. Let's try it. 3 times 8.314 times 400 equals, divided by 60 equals 166.28 or 166.3 kilopascals. That is the pressure. So we're plug and play on this formula. Don't forget, N is moles. If they give you grams, and like I think number 6 or 7 or 8, somebody gives you grams, you have to convert it to moles. If you're given temperature in Celsius, you have to convert it to Kelvin. You have to make sure you use the R for the pressure that you're using. Use the correct R. Other than that, you can't get it wrong. There'll be a more detailed video about this with more problems worked and more explanation later.